Hey y'all, it's your girl Jadatyshene back with another video, and today we're doing a simple, not so simple Valentine's makeup look. I'm going to be doing minimum talking, but I'm really going to explain what to do when I do the eyeshadow. So yeah, just keep on watching. Oh, also, if you want a more in-depth video on how I get my base to be flawless, that's in another video, and I'll link it at the end of this video.
Guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. I came back to let you know that I'm thankful for you. I can't.
And also, all of my product details will be listed down in the description box below.
Guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. I came back to let you know that I'm thankful for you. I can't. but they may never find what they dream of. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do for love what I would not do. Now my friends wonder what is wrong with me. Well, I'm in a daze from your love, you see. Now I came back to let you know that I think of you and I can't go. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do for love what I would not do.
Now it's time for the fun part, time for the eyes. So first I'm going to be going in with my P. Louise base. And I think it's the color 0 if I'm not mistaken. But I'm just going to be putting it at the top because we want the pink to really pop. And this right here is going to do the trick. And the brush I'm using just, y'all, a simple paintbrush. But after that, I let it dry for like a second, and then I just blend it out with my fingers. And now I'm just going to be using a fluffy brush, and I'm going to be going in with like the lightest pink in my palette, and I'm just going to pat that on until I get the color to my liking or as vibrant as I want it to be.
You wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. I came back to let you know that I'm thankful you.
Now for the bottom part, I'm going in with this Kylie liquid lipstick in Mary Jo K. And I'm just going to be adding it to the bottom just so I can get the most vibrant red.
Well, I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to
As y'all
let
can see, I'm going back in with the brush I used to blend out the pink. I'm using that brush to blend out the creases of the red. And I'm only doing the crease. I'm not doing the actual inside, well, the lid. And I just do this till I don't see a lot of demarcation anymore. Also, y'all gonna see, like, I started laying the brush flat a little bit, and I started actually bringing the red color up into the pink a little bit, just so it can blend out a little bit better.
you for love. You tried everything, but you won't.
And if you got shaky hands for this part, it's not for you, but it's very tedious. But to help me, I just do a straight line, and then I try to do like a kind of an X, or try to do the point first to make it a little bit easier so it can kind of be even on both sides. But after I get the X and that line, you just curve it around, and you guys try to go really slow so you won't mess up your lines. But after you get the kind of the shape, just continue to mess around with it, like continue to go around like y'all can see me doing until you get the perfect heart. And I didn't really show it for the little heart, but I'm doing the exact same thing that I did on the big heart. After I got both of my hearts to where I wanted them to, I'm going to be going in with this Kiss Lash glue. I can't talk, y'all. And I'm just going to be adding some glitter. And I wish I would have added another glitter because you can really tell with the white glitter. But after I had put the glue on, I'm just going to pack the glitter on. And after, I'm going to use a fluffy brush just to wipe the excess off. And now I'm just going in with my wing liner.
My friends wonder what is wrong with me. Well, I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know that I think you and I can't go.
The wing is giving, okay. But now I'm going to be going in with the Kylie Cosmetic lipstick again. And I use like a lip applicator to apply it. And I'm using the same brush to blend it out. Now I'm just applying my mascara to the top and bottom of my lashes.
You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do for love what I would not do. Now my friends wonder what is wrong with me. Well, I'm in a daze from your love, you see. Now I came back to let you know that I think you and I can't go. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do for love what I would not do.
I was already hyped because it turned out so pretty and I ain't even finished yet. But after this, I decided to go a little extra step and added some little jewels to it just to add a little more razzle dazzle. And yeah, not too much, and it still turned out really pretty. But what I was using is I just used my Lash Kiss glue, added a little dye, and then I just used my tweezers to apply. And yeah, y'all, this is the final look. I think it turned out really pretty, really beautiful. Let me know if you guys love this look, and also let me know what other looks y'all want me to do. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
I came back to